I remember the morning the young lads left home, with a kiss from their mothers and a prayer all alone. The hills of old Ireland were calling their names, but they sailed across waters to thunder and flames. They carried no hatred, they carried no pride, just letters from lovers tucked close by their side. From Galway to Kerry, from Dublin's old stone, they marched for a world they had barely known. Oh, where are you now, my brave Irish sons? Do you hear the old pipes when the battle is done? Do you dream of the rivers, the fields and the rain, or the faces you loved when you sailed far away? For the shamrocks still grow where your footsteps once fell, and the church bells still ring through the old village dell. But the boys who went marching beneath foreign skies are sleeping forever where the cold poppy lies. In the fields of Normandy, beneath foreign skies, many an Irish boy closed his young eyes, with a photograph faded and a letter unsent, and a heart full of memories of the place where he went. They fought through the darkness, they fought through the fear, while the sound of the cannons drowned out every tear. And some never returned to the homes they once knew, but their mothers kept waiting, as mothers still do. Oh, where are you now, my brave Irish sons? Do you hear the old pipes when the battle is done? Do you dream of the rivers, the fields and the rain, or the faces you loved when you sailed far away? For the shamrocks still grow where your footsteps once fell, and the old songs are sung in the village as well. But the boys who went marching beneath foreign skies are sleeping forever where the wild heather lies. Now I walk by the harbor where young men would leave, where mothers still whisper and old fathers grieve, and I look at the ocean that carried them away, and wonder what ghosts still remember that day. No medal can bring back the years that were lost, no flag can repay what a young soldier cost. So raise up your glasses, remember their names, the sons of old Ireland who vanished in flames. Oh, sing for the boys who never came home, who crossed the wide waters and wandered alone. Their hearts were in Ireland, their souls in the rain, forever remembered, forever remain. For the shamrocks still grow and the rivers run free, and their voices still whisper through valley and sea. Tell those who come after, when wars are begun, Remember the price paid by Ireland's young son.